What if I told you you don't need money to make your home beautiful? Not a big budget, not a shopping trip, not even new decor. You just need one thing that most people forget to use: your imagination. I love decorating our home, but my favorite part isn't buying something new. It's the part that comes before that, the imagining, the daydreaming, looking at the space and thinking, what could I do with this? Because that right there, that's the real secret to decorating on a budget. Here's what nobody tells you. When you're scrolling through Pinterest, you don't have to have a big budget to have a beautiful home, but you do need two things: creativity and imagination, because imagination is what lets you look at what you already have and see it in a different way, see something more. And this is the most powerful decorating tool that there is. So, before you start decorating anything, walk through your home, but don't look at things for what they are. Try to look at them for what they could be. This is where everything changes. Start asking yourself one simple question: what else could this be? Because that one question, it opens everything up. A cutting board becomes wall decor. A ladder becomes a blanket rack. A stack of books, well, that can become a riser on a shelf. None of that costs any money. It just takes curiosity and imagination. Now, this might be the most overlooked decorating tip. Move things. That's it. Rearranging a room can completely change how it feels without spending a single dollar. Try things like swapping out artwork between rooms. Moving baskets or decor, or restyling your coffee table. Even switching things like pillows between different spaces. Your home doesn't always need something new. It just needs something different and something with a new perspective. And if you think about it, inspiration is everywhere. Pinterest, magazines, stores, nature. But here's where people get stuck. They think, I need to buy that. That's not true. Instead, ask, what feeling is this giving me? Is it cozy? Is it light? Is it calm? Is it collected? Then try to recreate that feeling using what you already have. This is how you decorate on a budget beautifully. And once you start seeing potential, thrift stores become completely different. They're not full of random stuff. They're full of possibilities. A pitcher can become a utensil holder. A tureen can become a vase. Vintage plates become wall art. The magic isn't in what it is, it's in what it could be. So before you buy something that you think you want to have in your home, just pause and ask yourself, can I use this in multiple ways? Does it work in more than one room? Can I picture this in my home? If you can imagine at least 3 uses for it, it's probably worth the investment. If not, leave it. That one habit will save you so much money. And of course, there's always DIY. And DIY doesn't have to be complicated. Some of the best projects are the simplest ones. You can paint a pot, you can turn fabric into something new. You can use branches as decor. It's not all about the skill, it's about thinking differently. Like I said, before you spend any money, walk through your home with fresh eyes. Rearrange before replacing, and look for potential in everything. Let inspiration guide you, not shopping, and use what you already have. Decorating on a budget isn't about finding cheap things, it's about changing how you see your home, because when you use your imagination, you stop needing to buy your way into a beautiful space, and you just start creating one. So move the chair, paint the pot, try something unexpected. You just might surprise yourself. And if you love cozy, budget-friendly decorating ideas, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I can't wait to see you in the next video.